is Barrett Manager.
Hi, I'm Barrett Manager, and hopefully I'm going to make you laugh today. What do you call a deer with no eyes?
No idea.
No idea. What did one penny say to the other penny? If we get together, we can make some sense. What rose? Ha 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 flop. Someone laughing their head off. One day I was at school and I had to go to the dentist. My friend asked me, what time do you go to the dentist? I said, 2:30. On what part of the battlefield did the soldiers kiss? Under the mistletoe. What do you call a place where you park your camels? A Camelot. What did the glove say to the ball? Catch you later.